How to fix Snapchat camera not working on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Snapchat camera not working on your iPhone. So if you are facing the problem like your back camera or your front camera is not working on your iPhone, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to check the permission for your Snapchat. So for that, you'll have to just open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so from the settings, you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go the options like apps. Okay, so from the app section, you'll have to just find the application Snapchat. Alright, so after you find the application Snapchat, you'll have to just tap on that. Okay, so from this Snapchat app section, make sure that you have allowed this camera option from yours. So you have to turn on or allow the access for the camera to Snapchat. So after you turn on it, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check for the update for the Snapchat. So for that, you'll have to just open the app store. And now from your in this hospital, you'll have to type for Snapchat. Okay, so from here you can easily find if any updates are available for your Snapchat. So you can easily tap on this update options to update the latest version of Snapchat on your iPhone. So after you update it, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there and you have to open the settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to just scroll up and go the options like iPhone storage. So for that, you'll have to just tap on general. Now from your tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from the iPhone storage, you'll have to scroll down and find the application Snapchat. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just tap on this offload app option, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just reinstall this app, and after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.